Let's welcome again in the Anuj classes, and this is for GS special videos, and I am making special GS videos. And now in the series of making GS videos, I am on the 5th lecture, and this lecture is about important commission and committees. So let's begin it. Constitution Drafting Committee headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar to write down the Constitution. The first one is Constitution Drafting Committee headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar to write down the Constitution. Sardar Swaran Singh Committee 1976 Constitutional Reform Recommendation for the Inclusion of Fundamental Duties, that is Sardar Swaran Singh Committee 1976 for the recommendation of inclusion of fundamental duties. Then it is Seatal Ward Committee 1966 recommendation to make states more autonomous. Seatal Ward Committee 1976 Seatal Ward Committee 1966 Seatal Ward Committee 1966 recommendation to make states more autonomous. Seatal Ward cat in your memory, it's Seatal Ward, catch in your memory. Seatal Ward Committee 1966 for making states more autonomous. Then it is Raja Mannar Committee, Government of Tamil Nadu 1969. Raja Mannar Committee, Government of Tamil Nadu 1969. This is residual subjects should either be abolished or be given to the states. This is here, the recommendation is residual subjects either be abolished or should be given to the states. That means so this is it. Okay, now the another thing is international council should be constituted. Okay, all India service should be abolished. All India services should be abolished. So this demands. This was Raja Mannar Committee, Government of Tamil Nadu 1969. All India services should be abolished. Who knows? Sarkaria Committee, Central State Relation 1983. Sarkaria Committee, Central State Relation 1983. Interstate Council should be constituted. Municipal taxes should be divided among the states. All India services should be made more powerful. Advice of Chief Minister before appointing the governor. Here I am going to derive one sort of question based example so that you can clear from this point which I am making here right now, that how the questions are coming in the exam. You have seen many other times that questions are coming with multiple choices and all the choices are right answers. So in this which I am making the point right now, the topic which is Indian Commission and Committee, if something question like this happen, if question comes like this, Sarkaria Committee, the recommendation in the Sarkaria Committee, what are the true and false under the recommendation of Sarkaria Committee? First, interstate council should be constituted. Central State Relation 1983, it is the committee come under Central State Relation 1983. Is it true? So obviously if you know it is true, then it is true. Or all India services should be made more powerful, it is under this committee, so it is true. Or it is the advice of Chief Minister before appointing the governor. Advice of Chief Minister before appointing the governor, these all come under Sarkaria Committee. If all the 4 points you know, then you can write it all true, or all the 4 options are correct. So here you can have all the 4 choices, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But if you are not knowing any of this, then you are going to go with either 2 options or 3 options or lefting 1 options. Then you are going to have 0 marks. The objective will be wrong. The question and answer will be wrong, because you are going to make mistake and making negative. So this book which I am considering right now is the sole book or preferred by all the toppers of CSAT and civil service examinations and BPSC examinations. This is the sole book. Nobody catch this book so easily. You know why? Because first thing, it is the language which is most concise, and is the universal book for UPSC and BPSC for civil services examination, because the question is directly coming from these topics. Directly, if you got this book by heart, then you are going to find the answers directly coming from in the exams. So that's why I am catching this book. It is most essential book, and I am making notes from this book and the things which I am doing right now, this is the 5th lecture in the row. If you are going to have the exam in near future and you are in English medium, then you must follow this book. All the toppers, if you want to listen something, then let's I am showing you something abstract about the goodness of this book. Let's see what the toppers has to say. Some toppers has to say. See, this toppers, All India rank 2010 second rank, Sweta Mohanty. Pratikita Darpan yearbook is very informative and handy for preparation. I did prefer PD yearbook. The timing and content are very appropriate. Harshika Singh Civil Service Examination 2011 8th rank. I preferred PD yearbook occasionally and found the content very helpful, but I mostly focus on newspaper for current affairs. Nikita Pawar Civil Service Examination 2011 18th rank. These are the toppers. Second rank, 6th rank, 9th rank, 18th rank. So I must say, if someone who engulf this book, if someone completely digests this book, I must say he is sure for a CSAT exam. No doubt. CSAT is sure. And if you go for some more details and depth, when you are going to analyze the video, you are going to analyze the topics. Analyze the topics in which you will go the history, then you will go in the current, and then you will go in the future prospect of the current affair. When the news will affect you, the news will look very real to you. When you understand the past, the present and the future prospect of the news, that time you are going to analyze the questions in a more elaborative way, and that is the way of writing in mains paper. So overall I am saying this video lecture which I am making is completely, not saying completely, but partially it is CSAT based oriented, and more thoroughly if you do research over these topics, then you are going to have a good score in your examination. You have to research on your own, because this study is all about self-study. I don't prefer all the coachings and all the stuffs which are going everywhere. You can see everywhere stuffs are going here and there. You can find many of the books and many of the authors and many of the people, teachers who can mentor you for the UPSC and CBSE, BPSC prelims and mains. But I must say, if you are confident, you go to your own extent. Your own instinct will decide by this book. Such books will make your instinct. If you feel that you are honest and you are going rightly on your right way, you are right on your target. That's what I want to say. So question will come directly. You have to just research on this book. You have to digest it completely. Got it? And I must say, when you are not focusing with some mentor, you are not going to digest it. And I am giving you an opportunity here that through me and by my way, you can enhance this book. And it is Pratyogita Darpan yearbook. And the information, most of the information are repeated in year and year. Every year, the most of the informations are being repeated. So the most concise information, which are every time universal, that which I am going to teach you, and that which I am going to discuss you through this book. These are the universal ideas. These are the universal concepts which will not be changed. Something will be changed and you will get it through the Google. That's so simple. If you are in doubt of anything, you can go and search the Google and you will find the right answer. That's what you have to do, the research. That's all and nothing else. That's everything you have to do and nothing else. So that's the video. If you follow by heart, because this is the target, this is the current target, this is the most concise and specified book. If you are on the target, you will follow this. If you are distracting, you are losing hopes, if you are in despair, if you are demoralizing yourself, then you will go for Nana Prakar of Teaching Institute. Got it? Wait. So I am stopping this video. I will come again with the further information from the Dhar Commission and JPB committee, and what information I have given you in this book is very essential, and making this as a short video. You all know I make short videos so that it can be easily digested. That's why I am making short videos, and here I am stopping the video after a few minutes again. I will come on the topic and make the video. So thanks all. Just think what I am saying and believe on this concise books.